You are 6.3 kilometers from your destination. Proceed 100 meters, then turn left, immediately. Good boy. Proceed 200 meters, then bear right. Not yet, you piece of filth. Now. That's better. Proceed 1.5 kilometers. Don't change lanes. Did I tell you to change lanes? You're barely fit to lick your mistress's electrodes. Good, stay in lane. I can tell what you're thinking, you scum. You're just waiting for the words "in 200 meters turn right" to send a lustful shiver through your person. Wait for it. Get into lane. Get into lane. You poor ineffectual eunuch. You have overshot your destination. Lick up the mess and go back to your starting point. You worm.